Hello everyone, I am the Monster Game Dev, or some people know me as Monty Monster on my other channel as well, but we ain't gonna be referring to that name here. You can just call me Monty if you like. So, what this channel is going to be, let me explain what we're going to be doing on this channel. A lot of channels teaching about Unity and just doing Unity tutorials are like beginner stuff. Oh, how to use Unity, how to use triggers, how to use cubes. I don't know. A lot of stuff is just basic stuff, beginner stuff. And a lot of people need that. A lot of people who are looking up tutorials are probably beginners. But for those who aren't and want more advanced stuff, that's what I want to do here as well. I'm not going to not do basic stuff, but I'm going to do a mixture of the two. I'm going to be doing everything on here, whether it be beginner stuff all the way up to advanced stuff and whatever the heck is in the middle of those two. So yes, if you're interested in learning about Unity and just everything there is to know about it. Well, maybe not everything. I don't know everything about it. But most of the stuff but to do with Unity and just how to make good games, then this is the channel for you. So consider subscribing to it. I would appreciate it. We'll go over a lot of stuff throughout this time, and some beginner stuff, triggers or interaction, and we'll go all the way up to advanced stuff with AI, shaders, and lots of other cool stuff. So yes, consider subscribing today, and you'll get a lot of good content. Promise you that. So yeah, thanks for at least checking out the channel, and hopefully, I'll see you later.